Before we start chanting, I request everyone to meditate on the Almighty Narayana for a moment for world peace and type Om Namo Narayana in the comment section.
Today, let us look at the 53rd shloka of the Vishnu Sahasranamam, and before we look at the meaning of this shloka, let us chant this shloka for you. Uttaro Gopatir Gopta Jnanagamya Puratanaha Sharira Bhuta Bhridbhokta Kapindro Bhuridakshinaha.